Welcome to my video. This is the project I've been building for a month. So this is basically a mini scoop box for 8-inch subwoofer. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is a complete project of 8 inches subwoofer mini scoop box, and the sound of this subwoofer is really awesome, and the bass is really hard hitting. So make sure to put on headphones before listening to it. So I am using this amp plate I have designed, not really designed, but I have assembled it on a wooden piece of, so you can see all the components are there. I've made a video before, so make sure to check it out. I will put the link in the description. That's the low pass filter, and I am using a boost buck converter step down in order to provide 12 volts to this low pass filter board, and the big transformer supplies for the full frequency output board. So I'm using it as 2.1 system, the whole system working on 1 amp. Now the time for testing you have been waiting for so long, so let's start testing. So I'm using this song, bass boosted by my friend, so make sure to subscribe to him.
We've been working all day, me and homie don't play. We don't wait for you to come out, we just blow the whole place. I said that you better move, please don't step in our way. We don't got nothing to prove, we get the trophy first place. Go ahead and move, I'ma cover you. They know we taking the double. You want me take out the whole squad, man, cause they lost to a couple dudes. I can hear them screaming in my ear, I'm thinking everybody is already. See I'm happy hunting, we can say that. My team is golden, we fired up. They won't like it when I pop a rocket. Scoping in and then I line it up. 8 ball in the corner pocket. Defaults on the run now. Got them walking for the cheesecake. The third parties get the work too. Pushing back like a release date.
Look at all of your invention. You're already looking dead. It's a W, it's meant to be. Come on, meet me down the square. No one's stopping my way. 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 You get a scar on your hip, but I got that golden touch. I'll tell you what it fit. And it don't fall. Really, you might as well quit. Cause I got that golden touch. I got that golden touch. I got that.
Let me change the song and play some no copyright songs, so stay tuned. So that's for today's video. Hope you like it. If you did, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up for the video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.